Hi, fourth graders. I know in my other video I said press the pause the video and then press play to go back, but I accidentally stopped the video. So here's your video for your problem set. Okay, we're looking at grade 4 module 3. Make sure you're in this exact book. And we're gonna turn ourselves to page 79. Okay? I'm gonna work on the first two with you, and then your job is to do the other ones. So 3, 4, 5, and 6 during your independent work time. Okay? So let's take a look at number 2 and see how we can solve this together. So for this one, it says to show division disks, and it has a place value chart, but we're not gonna worry about the place value chart. Okay, we're just gonna draw an array there to help us make a picture, okay? So it also says to relate your work with long division. Long division is when we're using the standard algorithm right here, okay? So let's see, we have 7 divided by 2. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, if I form groups of 2, I have 3 groups of 2 with a remainder of 1. So I know that my quotient is gonna be 3 with a remainder of 1. Now let's check and see if long division works too. So we're gonna count by 2s until we get to 7 or till we get past it. So 2, 4, 6, 7. Nope. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? I can't go 4 times because that's 8. So I can only go 3 times because 6 is less than 7, but then 8 is greater. So 2 times 3 equals 7. Or 2 times 3 equals 6. So we're going to subtract 6. So 7 minus 6 equals 1. Since there are no more numbers, we're done. We have a remainder of 1. Okay? It also helps if you want to write down your count bys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you know how far you need to go. Okay? And when you're doing division like the standard algorithm, you only need to make sure you know your numbers all the way till you get to at least 10, because we will never work with a double digit number as long as we're working with ones here. Okay? But once we work on bigger numbers, we're going to need to go way past it. So even up to 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay? So we're going to check our work. We have our quotient, which is 3. Okay? We're multiplying it by 2 because we divided by 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Then we need to add the remainder. Plus 1 equals 7. Okay? If you need to pause, take the time to pause, and then we're going to move on, okay? All right. So now we have 27 divided by 2. So if we're going to draw our dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yep, drawing dots takes a long time. Okay, so now we're going to count how many groups of 2 we have because we divided by 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 groups of 2 with a remainder of 1. Okay? So let's try and see if it matches with our long division here. Okay? Right now, it's a little hard to see because of the light. But here we have 27 divided by 2. We're going to work with our very first number. Okay? 2 divided by 2. How many times can 2 go into 2? Well, if I start counting, 2 times 1 equals 2. So that means it's going to be a 1. 2 times 1 equals 2. And then 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then we can bring down to 7. Okay? Then how many times can 2 go into 7? Well, let's count 2, 4, 6, 8. 8's too high, so we can only go to 6. So that's 3 times. So 3 times 2 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. And there are no more numbers. So we have 13 with a remainder of 1. So when we look at our quotient, we have the quotient is 13, because that's the answer right there. Oh, right up there, with a remainder of 1. To check our work, we're taking our quotient. It's going to be 13 times the number of groups we made, which was 2. And we know how to do this. We're going to work one by one. 3 times 2 equals 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. Okay? And then we have our remainder, which we're going to add. 26 plus 1, that equals 27. Okay? So, your task is to work on the next page, which is page 80, number 3 and 4. And if you have extra time, page 81, numbers 5 and 6. All right, make sure you turn in your work. Make sure to only work for 10 minutes though, okay? Don't work too long on it if you're struggling. Limit yourself to 10 minutes, and once you're done with 10 minutes, turn in your work straight to Canvas, okay? All right, that's it, Jaguars. You're on your own today. So make sure you give it your best shot. If we need any help, come to my office hours at 3 o'clock, and I can help you out then, but I only have about 10 minutes for that, okay? Well, take care. Good luck.